In history, one of the most gruesome and infamous forms of punishment was the Brazen Bull. This ancient execution device was designed by the Greek inventor Perillos in the 6th century BC. It was a hollow bronze bull-shaped structure with a door on one side. When a person was placed inside, a fire was lit underneath. As the metal heated, the person inside would slowly roast to death. What makes this punishment even more horrifying is that the bull was designed in a way that the screams of the victim would be amplified and transformed into sounds resembling a bull's bellowing, adding a macabre element of sadistic entertainment for onlookers. Thankfully, this barbaric form of punishment is a reminder of humanity's dark past and is no longer practiced today.